brisk, sunny morning. Yes, we do have sun. And still a chance for storms and winds, but not before pretty late, like 4-ish. So, no reason not to just go enjoy the day. All the kitties are here this morning and accounted for, which is a relief every single day. And Donna and I are going to go walk here in a bit. We are still fasting. It'll be about 45 hours by the time we eat it. Around 5 o'clock today is the goal. Good morning, Panther. I'm coming out with your chicken. Hi. You're such a good boy. Hi. Hello, bud. Yeah, they were predicting only a quarter inch of rain with the storm this afternoon. We don't need any more rain right now. We're very saturated, so wet ground and even 45-mile-an-hour wind gusts are, you know, not super great. Maybe, you know, if you have one wind gust at 55, that's really problematic. So hopefully that won't be the case. And I guess they said once the wind kicks up, it's going to go through midnight. At least I don't try to go to bed before midnight. Hey, Stripe. Hi, buddy. This is just going on my morning walkabout, Mom. Just the morning walkabout. Hey, Sweet Pea. Hi. You look very sleepy. Hey there, Bubba. Hi. Good morning. Well, the power utility Duke guys are here this morning. We haven't seen them for weeks, but obvious that there was more work to be done to complete whatever that project was. So no real surprise that they're back there. Well, the trail's not looking too bad so far. God, it's been forever since we've been down this way. But hopefully, you know, they'll eventually get down here and blow it and clean it up a bit. Well, here's another spot where the sweet gum balls are really thick. It's not good walking on top of them. It's really not. The only saving grace of the sweet gum tree is they don't fall over in storms because they have a really significant, strong down taproot. You can't even pull them out of the ground when they're only 2 or 3 feet tall, let alone when they get bigger. So there's that. They're sturdy. And the purple foliage in the fall is pretty, but the sweet gum balls, wow, that was intense. They blew the trail while we were walking. I messaged the town because the trash can that was full on overflowing on December the 22nd still was full and overflowing. And they sent, we saw 2 trucks enter the trail, and not only have they, I'm assuming, emptied the trash can, but they blew the trail. Yippee. That's great. Walking on those sweet gum balls is not fun. And really, if you let the pine needles and stuff get too compacted, they start to get slippery when they're wet. So it really, it's not just for me and Dawn, but if the town's going to maintain this trail, then they need to maintain the trail.
Right. He said we'd see the sun this morning, and we have.
Yeah, Greg Fischel.
Going to be clouding up, but we did have a nice sunny walk.
Yep, and we did our normal walk length today. Dawn said we could just squeeze it in as long as we didn't get waylaid, and I don't think we got waylaid. We got slowed down for just a little bit. I had to attend to a question on my phone, but that didn't take too long to resolve. Uh-oh, my shoe's squeaking. Well, these are my about to be thrown away old pair. I have my new pair. I need to wear them a bit more and break them in so I can take them on the trail. Do you ever get home in your car and you just sit there for a few extra minutes because the seat's so comfortable, and in this case the heated seat feels so great, and you just need a few minutes to collect your thoughts and handle a few tasks before, you know, you go back out in the real world? It's like this safe little cocoon sometimes. Even if I'm in Jules in the passenger seat. I told Don I was going to be out here for 5 or 10 minutes and then I'd come in. He gets the message. It had nothing to do with Don. I don't mean to imply that. I got signed out of my Apple Watch and I needed to sign back in, and it was a password thing. And anyway, it's all good. It's all handled. Life is good. It's just nice to sit here in the quiet cocoon of the car and handle those things. Done editing for the day. It's just a little after 1:30. I'm gonna go work on the Lego castle, and we're gonna eat our piece of meat at 6. I don't know if we won't go after the deviled eggs in the refrigerator before then, though. Let's see what's up next. A little bit more furniture inside. It looks like a table and chairs. Table with goblets and candles and things. Okay. And then back to the wall. So, cool. I'm sure I'll get a good bit more wall done today. Poor Donnie gets off work and midnight misses you all day long. So when you sit down, he's picked his person. They always pick the one that may want to least be the one.
That's correct.
So I put up this little blocker for Don, and then I go give him some chow because, yeah.
You're the best.
So I broke my fast at like 44 hours and 5 minutes.
Oh, that's what I was doing. I was trying.
You were going to go break your fast, so you've probably got 45 hours and 5 minutes or something. It was about an hour ago. Anyway, we did good. We did what we wanted to do. Our big piece.
4608.
Our big, our big piece of meat's almost done.
Yeah, that's what I.
Well, if I didn't have a cup of coffee, I was going to become a basket case. Yeah. So we didn't want that. No. So definitely no signs of wind, just a little light rain out there. This is Stripe because there's Spot. Hey, Spot. Hi, pretty boy. I'll let you eat in peace. It takes him a while. Oh, I didn't want him to go down. Oh, well. If he's still really hungry, he'll come back, but he finished all the meat.
Yeah, I'm still really hungry.
And you're going to finish all the meat? Okay.
I only got 1 egg left.
Yeah, so the 23rd is the day I'm going to pull the food. The 24th is the day I take Spot to be neutered. So,
oh, joy!
Yeah. Well, it's very stressful whether or not we catch him or not for the appointment. That's always a lot of stress on me, but they're pretty good up there about understanding community cats, so all I can do is try. Don's got Monroe Live on in the other room, so if you think you hear Sandy, you do. Oops. Hang on. So I started putting the stained glass on as directed by the instructions. The door, this framing here is all good. There must be a little something else that goes here because, you know, it's not going to leave tan and this window's not finished, but you can see from the front, and it just depends on how I angle it right now. The stained glass lit up. The walkway, Dawn said, was super cool detail. I have to agree. A lot of people only build castles. Like every castle they can build, that's their thing. This is my first castle per se. Really fun. I added a couple minifigures because, well, you know, we need minifigures. No other, you know, this is done here. Soon is the roof in this section. And then, of course, this side continues to go up more. But let me show you inside, too. You can see the guy eating at the table with the chairs now and the candles that have been added around. And the fireplace is finished. It's very cool stuff. Don just pulled the 2 skewers out and let it, but it was positioned so that it wasn't on its side so it would cook right.
Yep.
So, cut her up, Donnie, cut her up.
Yes, ma'am, will do.
And you young man are now allowed on the counter. The strike protection equipment has been installed and you can sprawl now. I know you have to stay inside while Spot's eating. You could probably go out now, but